So one of the benefits of having a strategic partner who is an SEO expert and an online guru is the different avenues that you would have never known without them. Come along with me as Matt O'Brien with Mint Social once again gives me a crash course on all of the online opportunities out there. If you're like me, your mouth may drop, because mine did. So come and see what he had to say.
Well, we need to go to the research that we put together, which was all of your keywords and the pieces that tell us what people are looking for. So you created this long list, and then we did the research deep dive, and now we're framing out what we wanted. So here's an opportunity, nursing educational opportunity. So we're going to be saying, let's either build a page or write some content, such as a blog, around these topics. But these will all be rolled up into our overall content strategy, which we're working on now. And then this piece you're just naturally going to either create a video, an audio, or write something.